today's video is going to be a huge declutter of my closet. There's just, I don't know how else to explain it except for I've been feeling so overwhelmed lately and I feel like I need to do something about it. And since I can't necessarily control factors in the world, I can at least control what's going on in my day-to-day. And I feel like if I just clean stuff out, start fresh, maybe I'll feel lighter, feel less overwhelmed. So I'm willing to try. I don't know if I have really accumulated a lot more stuff or if I just feel like I can let even more stuff go. So that's my goal. Through the week, I just kind of do loads of laundry and then throw it on the floor in there. And then I got to sit down on the weekend and fold it all. Monday through Friday, survival mode. And then the weekends is when I can just get everything reset again. When I go in my closet right now, it's really overwhelming. It just is a constant reminder that I have lots of laundry to do. I feel like I look every day for something to wear and I just spend so much time like, no. And I wear the same things over and over. And I'm not saying that I'm not gonna buy new stuff, especially stuff that fits me better, like staple pieces or whatever. And then I could just grab whatever and it all kind of matches together. It's not like a huge ordeal. Embarrassing. Look at this. It's too much for me. And I also have, this is my son's section. I'm gonna go through that too because there's a lot of stuff that doesn't fit him. You can see I started to go through it and then I was like, you know what? Maybe this will inspire somebody else to offload. So here we are. First thing I'm gonna do is I have this bag, which I labeled maternity because I know I have like random maternity stuff. And I know someone who's pregnant who maybe could use this stuff. If not, I'm sure I'll donate to somebody else. And then I have a trash bag to put all my stuff I'm gonna donate in. Okay. This is overwhelming. I don't know why I feel overwhelmed. All right, I'm gonna go through. So first thing I'm gonna do, I watched somebody else's YouTube and I'll link her channel below because she's such an inspiration to me. I don't actually know her name offhand, but I'll link her channel below. She just was like, first just do a clean sweep, go through anything obvious, set it to the side, clean sweep. And there might be some things that I should probably like try on. Although if I haven't worn it yet, literally never ever worn it. Also cute. Don't have anywhere I would wear it too. And also haven't worn it in years. I do wear this a lot, but it's definitely unflattering. I don't wear it a lot. I've worn it. And when I look at myself in pictures, I'm like, why? Why are you wearing that? I do love this top. I've worn it maybe once. Set it back and see what happens. This is just like a regular Walmart tank top that I do wear as like an undershirt all the time. This is a maternity tank top. And I've officially lost all my baby weight. So I can put this in the maternity section. I have a feeling my closet's gonna end up entirely of black clothes because that's my go-to, black. Oh, I just put all the maternity stuff in the donate. Dang it! Never worn it. This is cute. It was literally all my clothes are hand-me-downs, either from my mother or from friends. I don't even know what this is. I did one swipe. That went better than I expected, honestly. It doesn't really look like a lot, but I have an entire trash bag full of donate, so that's a lot. Oops, I just ripped the trash bag. You know, minimalism or whatever means something different to everyone. So what to me might feel like a load off, to somebody else might still be like, that looks like a lot of clutter. But it doesn't really matter, in my opinion, what minimalism means to you or decluttering or whatever. As long as you benefit from it, I feel like it's helpful. I already feel like, oh my gosh, so much better. But I want to keep going. like look around and I feel like you're not even gonna be able to tell the difference, but wait till I show you how many bags. I went through my dresser, I went through my clothes, and then I went through Cruz's clothes because I have his clothes in here. So this is this side so far. And I have Cruz's, not Cruz's. I had the stool, I want to get up top, and I'm going to do the top up there next. And my dresser, I'm not going to show you because that's, I'm not going to show you the drawers because that's like bathing suits. Okay, so top is socks, bras and underwear, athletic wear, and pajamas, and then the bottom drawer is bathing suits. Morning of day 2. I didn't really do anything this morning. I kind of just moved some furniture around. The bulk of the work was done yesterday. I needed to wrap things up last night. I had my first girls' night in like 3 years maybe. I had not been out in forever and it felt really good. We just went and had sushi. It was really relaxing, good to catch up. But anyway, I feel really good about all the work I put in. When I come in here, I don't feel overwhelmed. I came in here this morning and felt like, wow, it looks so good. I mean, it doesn't look good. It's a closet, but I'm happy with the work that I put in, and I'm happy with unloading all this stuff that I knew I wasn't wearing and I hadn't worn in years, or somebody had given me and I've never worn. I don't need to hold on to things just to hold on to them. The more stuff I have, that's the more stuff I have to manage, and I just need to be lighter. Like I said, there's definitely more work I can do, and as I purchase new items that serve me better, I will empty out more of this stuff that I don't really love or doesn't look flattering. So first, that is the pile of stuff that I can donate. I'm so excited about it. It's a lot of stuff. It's a ton of stuff. Really, really surprised at that much stuff. So this actually will be even more empty. This is a bag of maternity clothes and a diaper bag that I actually never even used, that I know I'm gonna give that to someone who just found out they're pregnant. Pretty much all my pants and tops on one shelf. The bottom shelf is completely empty. I rearranged the stuff a little bit, put Cruz's clothes over here and my jewelry box underneath of it because it was like a blank space that I could stick it in. I definitely reduced my dresses. I moved my dresser over here. Again, I'm not going to show you the drawers, but they're definitely empty. And then my little vanity. I stuck the mirror. The mirror is supposed to go on the vanity, but I stuck it up there because toddler. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this inspires you to maybe tackle a decluttering project of your own that you've been putting off. And I'm going to go put all those trash bags in the back of my car so they can ride around with me for the next like 3 months before I actually take them somewhere to donate them, because that's what always happens.